Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Microsoft Outlook error code 0x80042112 and the message show the following email messages on the mail server cannot be downloaded. Contact your internet service provider, ISP or mail administrator if you continue to receive this error. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. Then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. So kailangan mo lang i-type yung ipconfig //DNS. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung //DNS ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito yung successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. So ang next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type ay type mo lang yung NATSH space WNSUP space reset. Okay? So i-type mo lang yung NATSH space WNSUP space reset in all small letter lahat. And then next step ay kailangan mo na press yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito yung successfully reset the WNSUP catalog. So you must restart a computer in order to complete the reset. So close lang natin dito, and then dito na sa start menu, and then click mo lang dito yung restart. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Outlook receiving reported with error code 0x800421112. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.